In another step towards building a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle and eventually a larger remotely piloted strike aircraft, India conducted a flight trial of the autonomous flying wing technology Demonstrator from the Aeronautical Test Range at Chitradurga in Karnataka on Friday. Designed and developed by DRDO Aeronautical Development Establishment, the high-speed flying wing UAV, which weighs over a ton, will lead to a major project to develop the RPSA in the years ahead. After its maiden flight was conducted in July 2022, 6 flight trials of the flying wing UAV, with 2 prototypes in various developmental configurations, have been carried out. These flight tests have led to the development of a robust aerodynamic and control system, integrated real-time and hardware-in-loop simulation, and state-of-the-art ground control station. The development team optimized the avionics systems, integration, and flight operations towards the successful 7th flight in the final configuration on Friday. The aircraft prototype, with a complex arrowhead wing platform, is designed and manufactured with lightweight carbon prepreg composite material developed indigenously. The autonomous landing of the UAV, without the need for ground radars, infrastructure, and pilot, showcased a unique capability demonstration, allowing takeoff and landing from any runway with surveyed coordinates. This was possible using onboard sensor data fusion with indigenous satellite-based augmentation using GPS-aided GEO augmented navigation receivers. The Indian Armed Forces have a large number of UAVs, mainly of Israeli origin, for real-time reconnaissance and precision targeting. The IAF also has Israeli Harop killer or kamikaze drones that act as cruise missiles by exploding into enemy targets and radars.